Okay, let's start with the class. Look at this. We're going to start with the game, practicing superlative adjectives. So what you're going to do, ignore this part, group A. So everyone is the same group. We are going to be taking turns making questions, okay? And then giving answers. And for the person who says this question correctly has 1 point. And then you are going to give an answer. You have 4 different options and say the correct answer too. So you will have 2 points. 1 for making the correct question and 2 for giving an answer. Okay? If you can only make the question, the other person, for example, let's imagine it's Fabiola's turn and she doesn't know the answer, so Ellie can give another answer. Yes? So in this case, maybe Fabiola will win 1 point and Ellie 1 point. Or maybe Fabiola the 2 points, right? It depends. For example, I'm going to do number 1. I will say, okay, number 1, which is the highest, because I'm using superlatives, mountain in the world? And it is Mount Everest. So I am going to give the correct question and an answer. The same person, la misma persona va a decir la pregunta y la respuesta, ¿sí? Y puede ganarse 2 puntos, uno por cada parte. Do you understand?
Sí.
Okay, nice. So, who would like to start? Let's see, Fabiola wrote something, I think, yeah. Fabiola thinks she knows. Okay, so Fabiola is not so sure. Let's start with Ellie then. So, Ellie, number 2 is yours. Tell me the correct
Okay.
option.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Yeah, good. So you have 1 point. And the answer is?
The Amazon. Amazon.
The Amazon River. Actually, it is not.
Es el Nilo, ¿verdad?
Yeah, it's the Nile.
Es que mire, yo toda mi vida cuando me preguntan eso, yo siempre digo que es el Nilo. Y la gente me corrige diciéndome que es el Amazonas.
No, it's
Pero
not.
yo sé muy bien que es el Nilo.
Okay. Sadly, today we had, the different answer. Yeah, but thank you very much. You had 1 point already. Okay, thank you. Fabiola, it's your turn. Make the question and then you give an answer.
¿Cómo el verbo tengo que poner en qué?
Okay, superlative. Sorry, Mirin. Superlative, yeah. It's the superlatives as in the previous examples. For example, I said, which is the highest mountain in the world? Highest. And Ellie said, which is the longest river in the world? So your turn is far. So you're going to say the superlative form for far.
What is the farthest
Farthest, good.
planet
From the sun, good. So you have 1 point. Give me an answer.
I don't know.
Okay. Just mention one.
Venus.
Okay, actually it's not. Venus is the second planet. Ellie, you have a turn right now. You have an opportunity to mention one. What do you think, which is the farthest planet from the sun?
I think it's Pluto.
Good. Pluto. Okay. So you have Fabi has 1 point and Ellie has 2 points right now. Okay, Ellie, it's your turn. Let me see. I don't see the complete question here. Okay. So tell me.
¿Qué es un bullet?
Bullet es una bala de una,
¿Y el whip?
de un arma. Whip es un látigo.
Okay.
Okay.
Which human invention was the first object to travel faster than the speed of sound?
Excellent. In this case, it's a comparative, right? Yeah. So you have 1 point. And the answer is?
A bullet?
No. Sorry. Only 1 point. Fabi, which one do you think from these other 3 options? The whip, the rocket, or the cannonball?
Say a rocket.
A rocket. No, sorry. Actually, the whip. El whip puede viajar más rápido que la velocidad del sonido. Por eso es que ese sonido característico que tiene cuando se agita. Yeah. So, 2 points each. No, let me see. 3 points for Ellie and 1 point for Fabi. Okay, Fabiola, your turn.
Tengo que decir el de bad. El
Yeah.
superlative de bad.
You decide if it's the superlative or the comparative.
In which country did the world
Yeah, correct. Continue. The worst.
Nuclear disaster take place in 1986.
1986, excellent. Thank you. So you have 1 point already. Give me an answer. Sweden, Finland, Ukraine, Russia. The worst nuclear disaster. Where was it? In Sweden, in Finland, in Ukraine, or in Russia?
No sé.
Okay, so Ukraine, excellent. It was in the Soviet Union.
Usted sabe que yo me la sé. Yo hice una presentación de un cortometraje sobre Chernobyl.
Me imaginé que lo sabías. Yeah. I knew that if Fabiola said a wrong answer, you will say Ukraine. I knew it. Okay, so the score is 3 Ellie, 4 Fabi. I mean 2 Fabi. So now Ellie's turn, right?
No, vamos 3-3.
Really?
Sí, la Fabi ya respondió 2 preguntas.
Yeah, she mentioned the 2, right? Okay, yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Okay.
3-3. Okay, let's continue.
What is the hottest part of the candle's flame? ¿Qué es the edge?
Edge es como la orillita, el filo.
¿Y el bottom?
Bottom es el centro. Es el núcleo, digamos. Bottom es como, perdón, el bottom es el fondo, la parte pegadita a la...
Ok. The center.
The center, yeah.
La parte solita.
Actually, it is the H. Yeah,
Ah, sí, porque, ajá, lo de afuera es lo caliente, pero lo que quema es la parte azulita.
es cierto. Oh my God, I didn't give the opportunity to Fabi to answer, to get 1 point. Okay, so how can we do that? Because that's unfair. Do you want to answer another question, Ellie?
¿Cuál?
The next one?
Ok.
Okay, yeah, because I didn't give the opportunity to her. Maybe you know this, so you can have 2 points right now, or Fabiola can get 1. Okay, go ahead, continue.
What is the fastest thing we know?
Yeah,
Light.
okay, so you got the 2 points. Okay, thank you. So you have 5, and Fabiola has 3 so far. Fabiola, this is your turn. Okay. Give me the question and an answer. Yeah?
Pero
Okay, go ahead.
el de money es the most.
Yeah, more and the most, okay? You decide which of those.
Of which creatures are the most special on this earth?
Okay, good. Only the pronunciation of this. Creature, como picture. Eso, chure es como picture, como dibujo. Entonces sería creature. Yes. In which creature are there the most species on this earth? Your answer
No,
will be
Petli.
beetles. Okay, let me see. Let me check the answers. And yeah, you're right. Beatles. Beatles is the correct answer. So you have 2 points. Excellent. 5 to 5 points. Empate por ahorita. Excellent. Let's continue. Ellie.
Ay, esto está difícil.
Yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention that the winner here gets 1 point in the next exam, okay?
Okay. Which is the closest to the sun?
Yeah, which is the closest to the sun? Venus, Mercury, Mars, or Jupiter?
Mercury.
Mercury, okay, good. 2 points for you. Nice. 7 to 5, right? Fabi.
Sí. Which of the following countries is the largest?
Okay.
Canada?
Okay. Remember that in this case, when you have done, it's a comparative. So one of these countries is larger than Canada. Porque estás comparando uno de esos países con Canadá. Entonces sería un comparativo. Yes. Which of these countries is larger than Canada? Sería en este caso un comparativo. But it's okay. You have the opportunity to get 1 point here with the answer. What is your answer? Which country is larger than Canada? Brazil, China, Russia, or Australia?
And China?
China. Actually, it is not. Yeah, actually, it's Russia. Russia, because Russia is the biggest country in the world. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I didn't give Ellie the opportunity either this time. So let's do the same, right? Than we did the previous class. So Fabi, you had the opportunity to answer this question. Okay, give me this question and your options. Okay, Fabi, it's your turn. Yeah, please.
A esta se le agrega most.
Yeah, for long adjectives, you use more or most, depending. If it's a comparative more, a superlative most, okay? So you decide.
The
More,
most
yeah,
famous
yeah. Mm-hmm.
6 word phrase from the first Star Wars movie.
Yeah. So you have 1 point right now. And the answer is
No sé. The force is always with you.
the force is always with you. Which one? The force is always with you, right? Okay, it is not. Ellie, do you know?
May the force be with you.
Yeah, excellent. So 1 point each. That means 8 for Ellie and 6 for Fabiola. Thank you. Let's continue with the next one. Let me see. I don't know if there's another. Ah, yeah. We have more. Okay, Ellie.
Ok, no sé qué significa, pero bueno. Which sense
Okay.
suffers the greatest damage when someone is struck by lightning?
Yeah.
¿Qué significa?
Okay. When, for example, if you are in the dark and then there's a very high lightning. Okay. Oh, in this case, lightning refers to, ¿cómo se llama? Like flash. What flash got?
Okay.
A lightning. Yeah. Yeah.
Sight?
The sight. Let me see. The answer is hearing, actually.
Ah, miren
Yeah.
nomás.
Hearing. Yeah. Oh my God, I didn't give the answer again to Fabiola. I always do that. I'm sorry. So we need to do it again, right? So, Ellie, for me to give the opportunity to,
What are
if you don't answer.
what are the most common plants on Earth?
Yeah.
Grasses?
Yeah, grasses actually.
Entonces
Yeah,
tengo
grasses.
11 puntos.
Yeah, 11 points. Excellent. I think you have already won. Oh my God, these are the answers. No, you saw already the last one. Okay. I hope you didn't do it. Fabiola, this is the last question, number 7. So make it, please. Yeah.
¿Qué es lo que está entre paréntesis de último?
Okay, it's the brightest one. Es el más brillante de todos. Bright, brillante. Esa es una como una pista, digamos. Es el más brillante de todos. Es una pista de cuál de esos cuatro es. Ujú.
What is the easiest
Yeah.
planet to see in the night sky?
Mhm. Excellent. You have 1 point. One more point there. And the answer is the easiest planet to see. So that means that when you go outside at night, you can look for some different planets. And there is one that is easier to watch than the rest, which is the easiest one. You don't need a telescope. You can see it clearly without any help. Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, or Venus. Which one do you think it is?
Espéreme.
Okay.
Googleando está, teacher.
Yeah.
No, es que estoy entre dos, pero es
Okay.
que
Yeah. Tell me one.
Júpiter.
Jupiter. Okay, Ellie, give me your answer.
Yo iba a decir Júpiter.
Oh, really?
Pues es Marte.
Creo que
No.
Mercurio. No, está muy lejos.
Actually, it's Venus. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. Cuando ustedes se levantan en la mañana y ven una estrella bien brillante, en realidad es Venus, no es una estrella, es un planeta. Es el que está bien en la mañana, bien brillante. Yeah. So, that's it. Congratulations, because Ellie is the winner, so you get 1 point for the next evaluation, and Fabiola gets half a point, because you are the second place, okay? Para el segundo lugar tenemos un medio punto, así que te lo ganas tú porque los demás niños no se conectaron ahora. So sadly. Okay. So thank you very much. Let's continue now with the class in which we're going to be practicing different things about comparatives and superlatives. We're going to do it orally. Some of these exercises are supposed to be written, but we're going to do them orally. For example, this one. So, Ellie, you're the winner, so you decide who starts. You're going to go one
yo.
each. Okay, thank you. Tell me.
Which country has more pet dogs? Germany or the US?
Yeah, excellent. Thank you. Fabi.
Which animal spends
Yeah. Less, okay.
less time eating a cat or a panda?
Okay, good. Yes, less time, because time is uncountable. Ocupamos list for countable nouns and less for, list, wait a minute. Less for uncountable nouns and list for countable nouns, sorry. Yeah, you're right, less time. Ellie.
What is the largest mammal on the planet? The elephant or the blue whale?
Excellent. Yes. Largest, superlative, right? Fabiola. Number 4.
Which country gives the less homework?
Okay.
China, the USA, or,
The US
or Finland.
or Finland, yes. The least, because actually homework it's uncountable. Yeah, so less here for uncountable nouns and least, the superlative form for uncountable nouns. Excellent. Okay, Ellie, number 5.
Which animal is the slowest? A
Yeah,
snail, a sloth, or a turtle?
okay, great. We are going to find out all those answers later, right? Okay, right now we're just making correct questions. Okay, Fabiola.
Which place is the highest
Okay,
populated place of the the qué? The
sorry?
Galapagos Island
Yeah,
is
Galapagos Islands, yeah,
one or uh,
Eastern Islands, or
Antarctica?
Antarctica, okay? Actually, in this case, is least populated, yeah, because in this case, fewest is for countable, yeah, and we are referring to population in this case. So, more population, less population, so least, okay? Thank you. Ellie,
Which is a biggest? Which is a bigger planet,
yeah, bigger.
Mars or Earth?
Excellent. And Fabiola, last one.
And which planet has the fewest moon? Venus, Earth, or Mars?
Excellent. Fewest months, because few is for countable nouns, and you can count months. For example, 1, 2, etc. Which planet has the fewest moons? Venus, Earth, or Mars? Excellent. So you have there comparative and superlative sentences. Let's see this. We are going to do a written exercise right now. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes for you to make this information into sentences. For example, it says here, Hannah, most, you're going to be using most or fewest, right? List, amount of, yes, or most. So you're going to be making questions, sentences. For example, he says, Hannah most has books in the backpack. Hannah has the most books in her backpack. Okay? So you're going to be using these words. Para superlativo, de hecho todos estos son superlativos, algunos de mayoría y otros de minoría de cosas. So you're going to do it in the written form. Let's do something. For you not to write it in your notebook and for me to check them correctly, write them in the chat, please. Send them privately to me, please, in the chat. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Go ahead. Questions before we start? If there are no, so we're going to start. You have 5 minutes. Good, Ellie. That was nice. Thank you. The first one is correct. Yeah, second is correct too. Eli.
Déjeme escribirlas y al final me dice si están buenas todas. No me va a tener que ir diciendo una por una.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, go ahead. Thank you, Fabi. Continue. Yeah, so you finished now, and all the sentences are correct. Yeah, only you forgot a capital letter in the second one, but basically the most important part, which is the comparatives, it's great. So thank you, Ellie.
Teacher, un chiste.
A ver, okay, a ver.
What
Yeah.
it's light but not heavy?
Light but not heavy.
No, perdón. What
Yeah.
it's blue but not heavy?
Blue but not heavy. Let me see.
Light blue.
Yeah, I got it, but because you said light, right? Yeah. No, but you got me. Yeah, I didn't expect it. Nice. I once told you this joke. I don't know if you remember this. Uh, why is 9 afraid of 10?
No sé.
Because 7, 8, 9. Do you get it?
Sí, creo que sí, pero no entendí muy bien.
Okay.
Como, ¿por qué el 10 está asustado del
Ajá, le tenía.
9?
Yeah.
Ah, ya. Pero sí me dio risa.
I made a mistake also when I counted. Why is, yeah, 10 afraid of 7? That is the thing. Sí, me
Ah,
equivoqué.
eso.
Yeah. We're not the best at counting jokes, saying jokes, I think.
Sí, eso creo.
Okay, let's see, Fabiola. Shirley has the most songs on her MTP player. Don has the the most, right? The most after school activities. Yeah. Activities every week. Uh-huh. Okay. So you're missing two, right? I mean, no, let me see. Yeah, four. I knew more jokes in English, but I don't remember right now. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Paul has the fewest plays, right? Because in this case it plays. It's not has, but plays. So Paula plays the fewest video games every day. Plays. And the next one is watches. Okay, so you're missing two more sentences. Meanwhile, I am going to. Ah, but you need to watch this part, right? Okay, let's see.